Hi, welcome back. Here's how to remove the rear light assembly on a Nissan Note E12. You have to remove a 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt down there, and put a screwdriver in at the top and just lever out. And at the back you'll see there's a prong there that'll catch, and there's also on the side there's a part of the light that slides in. So it's very important that you pull the light unit this way and then out, and that will give you access to the rear of the light unit. So you have the reverse light and the indicator light and the tail light, and this here is the LED assembly for the brake light. Hope that helps someone. Thanks for watching. Bye now.